Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. The iOS 27 public beta is officially out, and if you have been waiting to try iOS 27 without being a developer, this is your moment. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install it step by step. Before we get into a couple of things worth knowing, this is still a beta software. It's more stable than the early developer betas, but you are still going to run into some small bugs and the phone can run a bit warm. Apple doesn't recommend installing it on your main iPhone, so if you have a secondary device, use that one. And the official public release is coming in September, so if you would rather just wait, it's not far off. Also, before you do anything, back up your iPhone first. Go to settings, tap on your name, and go to iCloud, then iCloud backup, and then tap backup now. If something goes wrong, you will want that backup to fall back on. Okay, here's how to install it. First, open Safari on your iPhone and go to beta.apple.com. Here, scroll down and tap sign up and sign up with your Apple ID. Once you are in, tap enroll your device and follow the steps to get your device registered. Here, scroll down and tap open beta updates. It will take you back to the beta updates in your settings. If you don't see it right away, restart your iPhone and come back to this screen. Then go to settings and go to general, and here tap on software update and tap on beta update and select the iOS 27 public beta option from the list. Once selected, just go back. Here you'll be able to find the iOS 27 public beta ready to install. The update size is approximately 21 gigabyte. So just tap update now and follow through the steps. You'll be able to install iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone. One more thing, iOS 27 is compatible with iPhone 11 and later. So if your iPhone runs iOS 26, it will run just fine. But if you're hoping to use the new Siri AI features, those require iPhone 15 Pro or newer, and there's still a waitlist for it. To join the waitlist, go to settings, tap Siri, and you will find it in there. It can take a few weeks to get access, so the sooner you join, the better. That's it guys, you are in. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this. If you still have any issues during the installation process, just drop a comment below. So if you like to see more updates on iOS 27, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next video.